Hi, I'm Joan Lok. Have you ever wondered how to paint a bird in the style of Lingnan, particularly in the style by Zhao Xiao'an? In the upcoming workshop, I will have a special two-session workshop that focus on painting songbirds in the style of Zhao Xiao'an. Zhao Xiao'an has kind of elevated the painting of birds into really interesting, simplified calligraphic stroke. So in this workshop, I will cover the anatomy of the bird because we do have to understand how it looks like and things like that before we can paint it freehand without a sketch. So in this workshop, I'll talk about various shading, various formations, anatomy of a bird, and also focusing on the wing structure, the claw structures, and various patterns and shape difference, so you can easily paint them freehand. And what I will do is I will tell you step by step how to paint it in the classic Lingnan style. And everything would be step by step. And because we have so much to cover, instead of a 2.5-hour workshop, I will actually make this workshop a 2 sessions. We'll do it on 2 consecutive Saturdays, 2.5 hours each. And if you are getting the recording and not attending the live Zoom lessons, you will actually get not 2.5, but 5 hours worth of the video from the 2 sessions. And I will be doing it on a consecutive Saturday. And in order to do that, I'm actually skipping the following month Saturday workshop. So in this particular workshop, we will focus on painting the birds in the style of Lingnan Zhao Xiao'an, and we will not only paint it one style, one posture, but then we will have the bird seated with the chest that you can see, or it will be seated, in a way that you can see the wing and the wing pattern. And then on the second day of the workshop, of course, we'll do a revision of what we have all learned. And then we will challenge ourselves, instead of having the bird seated, we'll have the bird flying. And then the flying bird would also have 2 different poses. One that you can actually see the bird feathers and the wing patterns. And then the other one, you can actually see the chest. So 2-day workshop with 2 different sessions, consecutive Saturdays, and we will be skipping the following month Saturday workshop, but then you only have to sign up once for the 2 days workshop for painting songbird in the Lingnan style, in the style of Zhao Xiao'an. Thank you. I hope to see you. Bye-bye.